lost her sheep, and they ran so wild. Oh my! Jumping and twirling, baying and whirling, dancing under the sky. Bo Peep went out to search her flock, but found them sliding down a rock. One did flips, the other made quips, and a third played tricks with her walking stick. Little Bo Peep lost her sheep, and they ran so wild. Oh my! Jumping and twirling, baying and whirling, dancing under the sky. She saw her sheep at the candy shop, eating gumdrops and lollipops. They juggled sweets, then spun on their feet, turning Bo Peep's day into a treat. They climbed a tree, sang ba ba ba, then rode a bike and drove a car. Bo Peep just laughed, oh what a day! My silly sheep have gone astray. She caught her sheep by the old red barn, playing guitars and a sheep alarm. They strummed a tune beneath the moon, turning her search into a cartoon. Way, little Bo Peep lost her sheep, and they ran so wild. Oh my, oh my. Jumping and twirling, baying and whirling, dancing under the sky. Now Bo Peep's sheep are back in their pen, but they promised they'd go crazy again. They'll sing and play on another day. Bo Peep loves her sheep, come what may. Little Bo Peep loves her sheep, even when they go astray. Laughing and cheering, dancing and banging, they'll have more fun today.